Ashton Jones from Churchill, Tennessee, and she will be performing The Mountain Wind Blows Cold. Give it up for Laura.
Thank y'all for coming out tonight. It means so much to us songwriters to have your support, and the song that I'm going to share with you tonight is really dear to my heart. I co-wrote this song with my grandfather, Owen Allgood, and we wrote this song back in, I think, 2013, and we kept going back and forth with each other and trying to capture the essence of how important our roots can be around the holidays especially. And so we wrote a Christmas song. And I originally recorded this in bluegrass style with mandolin, banjo, upright bass, and guitar. And this song actually got radio play for nearly a decade, and I'd love to keep that tradition going. And I hope you like it. And if anybody knows Dolly Parton, I'd love for her to record this. When the snowflakes start falling, my mountain home comes calling. It's almost that time of year, and those memories of old, they warm my very soul. Keep me safe from the wind. Ooh, ooh. The mountain wind blows cold, bringing memories of old, and the old home place so long ago. I listen to the wind, and the message that it sends tells me it's Christmas time again. Another year gone by, my heart rests in Tennessee. Those hills are part of me, where the wind blows wild and free, and I know I'll never leave. Memories of old, and the old home place so long ago. I listen to the wind, and the message that it sends tells me it's Christmas time again. Mountain wind blows cold, bringing memories of old, and the old home place so long ago. I listen to the wind, and the message